हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप यू guys आर फाइन. So today in this video I am going to unbox the CA Foundation paper number 3 Math, Stat and LR by Professor Raj Awate sir. So without any delay, let's unbox it. So you can see there are two different modules, module number 1, module number 2. So as you can see, it's module number 2. Also you can see the content of it. There are lots of questions for practice, and you can see that the page of the book is quite impressive. Now you can see it's module number 1. So at the end, I just want to say that you guys can take classes from Raj Awate sir confidently, without any doubt. As when I was in CA Foundation, I also took classes from Raj Awate sir, and it was one of the best learning experience I ever had. So hopefully you will get chance to enjoy math rather than being scared of it. So this much for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.